Welcome back to Health Bridge. Today, we're diving into something very exciting, the use of hibiscus tea for kidney health and repair. This vibrant beverage isn't just plain delicious, but recent research suggests it could be used as a powerful ally for our body's filtration systems, the kidneys. Let's face it, kidneys don't get the fanfare they deserve. They're constantly working behind the scenes, removing waste, balancing electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. But just like any champion athlete, sometimes they need a little support. Hibiscus tea, brewed from the ruby red hibiscus flower, is packed with many promising compounds that could give the kidneys the boost it needs. 1. Potential diuretic. Studies suggest it may help flush out waste products and toxins, giving your kidneys a helping hand. 2. Blood pressure support. Some research indicates it might contribute to lower blood pressure, which can indirectly benefit your kidneys. 3. Antioxidant powerhouse. Rich in antioxidants, hibiscus tea may help protect kidney cells from damage. Here's how to enjoy it safely. Steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes for a delicious, slightly tart tea. Personalize your cup with a touch of honey or lemon. Enjoy it hot or chilled over ice for a refreshing drink. Remember, if you have any pre-existing conditions like allergies or you take medications for kidney diseases, consult your doctor before you take any natural remedy to make sure the medication does not interact negatively. Here's some extra information for you. While hibiscus tea is exciting, nature offers other options like watermelon, parsley, and olive oil that can assist healthy kidney function. Support your amazing kidneys with a healthy lifestyle, proper hydration, and potentially a cup of hibiscus tea. Subscribe to Health Bridge for more health hacks.